Okay, so now in this video, we're going to be adding fractions again, but they are going to start with unlike denominators. So that's where the denominators between the two are not the same. So our first problem we'll do is going to be 2/3 plus, so 2/3 plus 3/5. Now, when I have students write these, I kind of usually like them to write them vertically, so I will erase this. And this will give them an easier time kind of seeing what's going on. So we have 2/3 plus 3/5. We have a 3 for one denominator, we have a 5 for the other denominator. We need to find the least common denominator, and this is the same thing as the least common multiple. So I will look at 3 and 5, and I will write multiples for 3. So we have 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. And for 5, I have 5, 10, 15, 20. Oh, but then I see that I have a 15 in each column. So 15 is going to be my least common denominator. So I need to get both these denominators to equal 15. So let's erase this stuff. So I ask myself, what do I have to do to 3 to make it 15? And what do I have to do to 5 to make it 15? So 3 times 5 is going to be 15. So I have to do the same thing to the numerator in that fraction, because 2/3 times 5/5 is the same as 2/3 times 1. So we'll get an equivalent fraction. So 2 times 5 is 10. So we have 10/15 instead of 2/3. And 5 times 3 is 15. So we do 3 times 3, because 3/5 times 3/3 is the same as 3/5 times 1. 3 times 3 equals 9. So we have 10/15 plus 9/15 now. So we have 10/15 plus 9/15. 10 plus 9 is 19/15. And this is an improper fraction. So we ask ourselves, how many times can 15 fit into 19? 15 goes into 19 one time. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 leftovers, so 4, and then our denominator stays the same. So the answer to this would be 1 and 4/15. Okay, I will do one more just to, because this is a lot of steps. We'll do one more just to make sure you have a good amount of examples. Okay, so the next one we'll do is 2/9 plus 5/6. Okay, so the first thing we have to do is find the least common denominator. So we have to find our multiples for 9 and 6. So we have 9, 18, 27, 36. And I know I'll be done there. We'll do 6. We have 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36. And if we ran into a number we have in both of these, 36 is our common denominator. So 36 is what I need both denominators to be. So we can erase all of this. And 9 times, so what is 9 going to be multiplied by? And 6 multiplied by, so 9 times 4 equals 36. And 2 times 4 is going to be 8. And 6 times 6 is going to be 36. And 5 times 6 is going to be 30. So now we have 8 36ths plus 30 36ths. We have the same denominator, so we can add our fractions. So 30 plus 8 is going to be 38 36ths. So 36 can fit into 38 only one time, and 38 is 2 bigger than 36, so we'll have 2 leftovers over 36. Now we are not quite done because 2 36 can be simplified, and the greatest common factor between 2 and 36 is going to be 2. So we would do 2 divided by 2 and 36 divided by 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 36 divided by 2 is going to be 18. So our answer would be 1 1/18. Lots and lots of steps, lots of things to do, but everything we've done so far has kind of led up to this point. All right, I hope this is enough examples to understand this, and good luck on your homework tonight. Bye.